In today's video, I'm going to share a device that targets so many issues. If you are dealing with redness, dark spots, acne spots, aging, dull, tired skin, then this device may be the solution for you. I'm Rita Almusa, Master Esthetician of over 20 years, so when I find a device, I do not recommend them lightly. I'm going to tell you why this device might be the option for you and the solutions and the amount of time that it takes to start seeing results. So without further ado, let's get started and let's talk about this device that I have here today. So this device here is by VCure. This is the Lumiera DPL and NIR device. So this is using two different types of technology. So the one technology, DPL, is going to be that surface level. So if we are discussing the redness, the fine lines, the dark spots, the aging spots, all of those surface level, that is going to target that level there. And then it also has a dual action. It's the NIR, near infrared light, which is that deeper level where you're getting into the collagen production, which is what is giving you that plump, youthful looking skin. So as we age, our collagen will naturally reduce year over year over year, so you need a device that is going to penetrate deeper. This goes all the way up to 1800 nm, so that is that deeper level, so you can use this to penetrate even deeper than that surface level. Now let me tell you how to use this device. It's very simple. You see here we have some options. You're just going to turn on the device here. You're going to use the protective gear that come with the device. So as I turn this on, I'm just going to show you. Here you have this red light, the near infrared light, as you can see, and then you can select your mode. So there's near infrared light, there's redness, and there's brightening. So we have 3 different modes here. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different levels within the 3 different modes. You have to make sure that the device is flat against your skin. The VCure Lumirea DPL NIR Photofacial device is an advanced at-home, light-based skincare device designed to improve tone, texture, firmness, and clarity. By delivering precise wavelengths of light into the skin, it stimulates cellular energy and regeneration, helping skin function more efficiently, which is the foundation of healthy, youthful-looking skin. Because of the near-infrared component, it's also excellent for calming inflammation and supporting skin recovery. Now let me show you how to use this device properly. Step 1. Start with clean, dry skin, no makeup, sunscreen, or heavy products. Step 2. Plug in the device and wear the protective goggles provided with the device. Step 3. Turn the device on and select your treatment mode based on your skin concern. Step 4. Place the device against the skin and treat one area at a time. You can gently glide or stamp the device depending on the area, so you can focus on areas like the forehead, the cheeks, the jawline, the chin, the neck. And step 5, once you're finished, turn the device off, and it's great to have a post-care treatment. I like to put on some calming skincare to reduce any temporary redness of the treatment. You can rehydrate and support the skin barrier by using some type of face mask. Because circulation is increased after light therapy, your skin is especially receptive to soothing, hydrating products. Another great thing about this device is look how large this treatment window is. This is one of the largest treatment windows that I've seen. This is 6 centimeters squared here. So you're getting this large surface area where you can really treat the entire face. I even want to treat like my arms for any sunspots and sun damage. You can use this. But what is also super amazing about this device is it does have the sapphire cooling technology, and I'm at the level where I've used enough devices that if it does not have the sapphire cooling technology, I probably won't use the device because that makes such a difference in the user experience. It feels so relaxing to have the cold treatment glass against your skin. It feels like you're not really getting a skincare treatment. It almost feels like a soothing, cooling treatment. I don't know how to explain it, but that just makes this such an amazing device to have the sapphire cooling device that drops that down 5 to 10 degrees Celsius for your treatment window. Now I want to show you some before and after images here because you can see results by using this regularly and consistently within 4 weeks. So by using this device, which is so lightweight, it's so easy to use, just keep this in your routine, then you can actually see results very quickly by using this device. The price point of this device is really great as well because it's using those 2 different technologies. This is not just your standard LED light therapy or IPL device. You are getting 2 of those treatments within one device. And so for the price point, I really think it's fantastic, and I think that it has such great results within, you know, that 4-week window. And as you continue on with the treatment, you are going to see greater results more and more as you use the device. I hope you enjoyed my review of this Photofacial device. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. I'm always here and happy to help. And if you have not yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified when I put out new videos. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Take care.